How to get rid of dark circles under eyes home remedy. Dark discoloration of the skin under the eyes is primarily referred to as a dark circles. It is also known as a dark ring or shadow. Some of the main causes behind the formation are heredity, aging, dry skin, mental or physical stress, working for a long time in front of the computer, lack of sleep and unhealthy diet, crying. Both men and women of different ages can have a dark circles. Dark circles under the eyes is not only a worry due to the conscious of the great beauty, it can be for the ordinary person. These circles also take away the freshness of the face. Pale illness. You can easily get rid of dark circles or shadows under eyes using some easy home remedies. Number 1. Use of almond oil. Almond oil is a great natural ingredient, is very beneficial for the delicate skin around your eyes. Regular use of almond oil helps to fade your circlea eye below. In addition to the oil almonds, you will be able to use the vitamin E oil in order to remove the dark circles under the eyes. How to use. 1. Take a little almond oil over the dark circles and massage it into the skin before going to bed. 2. And leave it on overnight. 3. In the morning, wash it with cold water. 4. Follow this daily until the dark circles disappear. Number 2. Use of cucumber. Cucumbers will have a mild astringent that helps to correct the eye of these raccoons naturally and whitening. Furthermore, they have a soothing and refreshing effect. How to use. Cut the fresh cucumber into thick slices and cool them in 30 minutes in refrigerator. Please put the slice on the skin on the area of the influence of about 10 minutes. Wash with water. Repeat about twice a week for a better result. Another option is to mix the same amount of lemon juice and cucumber juice. Use cotton ball to apply the mixture. Affect the skin. After you leave it on for 15 minutes. Please rinse with water. At least for 1 week. Every day, follow this remedy. Number 3. Use of raw potato. There is a natural bleaching agent present in the potatoes to remove the puffiness around the eyes. Grate 1 or 2 of raw potato in order to extract the juice. Dip the cotton ball into the juice and place it over your eyes closed. Juice is not only cover your eyes. Make sure that you cover the dark circles under the eyelid and take it for 10 to 15 minutes. Clean your eyelids with cold water. Repeat once or twice a day for a few weeks. Number 4. Use of rose water. Rose water has incredible component for skin care. This is rejuvenates the skin. There is a soothing effect to tired eyes. Because of its mild astringent properties, it also acts as a good skin toner. How to use. Soak cotton eye pads in pure rose water for a few minutes. Put the soaked pads on your closed eyelids. Leave them on for about 15 minutes. Follow this remedy twice daily for a few weeks. Number 5. Use of tomato. Tomatoes have bleaching properties that can lighten skin to a great extent. Mix 1 teaspoon of tomato juice and ½ teaspoon of lemon juice. Gently apply the mixture with the dark circles and it will be able to sit for 10 minutes. Please clean it with water. Twice a day for a few weeks. Please follow this remedy. Number 6. Use of lemon juice. The presence of vitamin C in the lemon juice can help to remove the dark circles under the eyes and also thanks to its skin whitening properties. Use the ball of cotton in order to apply the fresh lemon juice around your eyes. Leave it on for about 10 minutes. Please wash it. We do this once a day for a few weeks. Number 7. Sleep well. Will sleep have a fresh circular free face? The physician advise at least 8 hours sleep and go to bed early. I hope you enjoyed watching the video about how get rid of dark circles under your eyes easily. Subscribe to our channel and learn more about new things. Thanks for watching video. Subscribe, comments, likes and share. Thank you.